Hello everyone and welcome back to another lesson on Adobe Premiere Pro. In this lesson we're going to go ahead and take a look at how you can crop your video. Now cropping in Adobe Premiere Pro has been a very tricky event for most people. Now there are a lot of ways that you can actually crop a video on Adobe Premiere Pro or crop a clip. So I'm going to show you how you can actually do this very easily in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's go over to the Premiere Pro and let's see how we can crop a video. So we're back on Adobe Premiere Pro, and here I'm going to select a video to crop. All right, so we're going to crop over here in the timeline section, okay? Now to get a video, I'm just going to go ahead and bring in a demo video from Adobe Premiere Pro. If I go to import from here, I'll find all of these videos right here. And I find this video over here, which is much more easier to crop and very much able to make you guys understand how you can actually crop a video. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on import. Now you can see it's opened with a sequence 3. All right. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and crop it right over here. Now you might be wondering what this image would look like. Okay, so from here you know that this is the fit screen. So if I click on fit, the original video is like this over here. Okay, now if I play the video, you can see that this is how it looks like. Okay, so what I want to do here is I want to crop it and make a video where it is zooming in on these kids that are playing right over here. Okay, so I'm not going to zoom in on the kick or the ball. I'm going to zoom in on the crash that is happening in the video. So to do that, I'm going to first measure out the video. For instance, this is where the kid is coming over here. Okay, so I want this clip to stay, but as soon as they clash, I want this this side to be cropped. Now how do you crop it? For instance, if I go ahead and fit the screen to, let's say, 10%, it's too small. Okay, so I'm not gonna keep it at 10%. I'm gonna increase it like this. Now you can see it's 25, still not enough, so I'm gonna go with 50%. Okay, once I'm in 50%, I can now level this video. So from here, I'm just gonna go ahead and select the select tool, make sure this is selected, and I'm gonna double click. All right, once I double click, you can see here there's these borders, the scaling borders right over here that I can use. Now take a good look that whenever I scale this in and out, you can see here if I scale it out, it goes down, and if I scale it up, it zooms in. All right, so you can see here now I can also place the frame right over here however I want. Okay, so I would like to zoom in like this, just like this. All right, so like this. Now if I play it, so now you understand how I'm gonna crop it, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and zoom it out, and let's fit this to the screen. So now it has been fit to the screen. All right, so now if I play it, you can see the clash right over here. All right, so now I want to measure out the video from where I want to crop it. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and keep it like as it is like this, and then I'm going to crop it right over here. All right, so let's keep this part right over here, and I'm going to slice this up part right over here. So let's select the razor tool. Let's slice this from the middle right over here. And from this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and crop it. Okay, selection tool, double click. First, let's select this one. And now double click, and now let's zoom in right over here where the clash is happening. Let's frame this perfectly. And now let's play it. All right. So now you can see how the transition goes, right? The boy comes in, and as soon as they clash, they just zoom in. All right. So let's export it and see how it is, or we can actually run it like in full screen mode like this. Now let's play it. So you can see how it looks. All right, so let's export it because this frame, it's not having a good resolution. So I'm just gonna export it and see how it looks. As soon as it's exported, let's go ahead to the folder and take a look at how it looks. So this is the file that we have right over here. Let's play it. You can see as soon as they clash, it zooms in like just like that. All right. So that is how you crop on Adobe Premiere Pro very easily. All right. I hope this was helpful for you guys. I hope you've learned something. If you have any problem, you can ask us, no problem. And I will see you in the next lesson.